while we're running you through the project demonstration, you go to the free trial and you create a admin ID and sign into it, and you have the company details here. After creating this, you create your plan, which it can be a starter plan, growth plan, or an enterprise plan. I'll be going to the enterprise plan to explain all the features in the project. Here, this is the Dodo payment integration that we have integrated to our project. Uh, After going this, this is the test mode of the Dodo payment integration. Here we will simulate the payment successness and we'll then move to the project dashboard. Here you can get the option to do the success. And after being successfully registered, the payment is redirected to the dashboard, which will then ask you for the details, and then you can directly go to the dashboard. So here you can see the current treasury deposits, and you can see the treasury wallet information that is used in this demonstration. And after continuing, you can see the approval threshold of how much is like if the USDC is less than this threshold, then it is automatically approved without anything. I'll keep the threshold 500 USDC. And this is the main dashboard. It shows that the Dodo checkout is active and the Solana DevNet is active. We'll connect to the Phantom wallet. Uh, okay, this is another wallet. It is. I will connect to the main wallet address which has the USDC to do the transaction. So this is the main web page. Here we have the features of like what the payment current status of the payment is, what is the payment status of the billing, and how the what subscription does the user has. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see the contractor and invoice creation thing. Here you can create a contractor which will have the like to what company are you paying the USDC. That address will be inputted here, and all the information regarding the company is inputted here, and that will be uh, that will come in this dashboard. Then you create a invoice in which you choose a contractor to which company you're paying and the amount you're paying to the company. For example, here I pay around 50 and submit invoice. This will go to a queue which will be approved by the admin. After approval, this will go to the payment queue. First the invoice queue, then the payment queue. And here this is the batch payment. Like you can create a multiple payment queues and you can execute multiple transactions at a time. Here, since it's a demo, I'll be running one transaction. And all the validated transaction will be stored in the history as the user can scroll it and make a note of the previous transactions. So here you can see escrow initialized on approved and the payment is executed. You can see that 50 USDC is completed and this is a transaction hash in the Solana DevNet. You can see that the treasury wallet has lost 50 USDC and the company wallet has gained 50 USDC. These are the basic information about the transaction. You can see the here you can see the actual amount of tokens that they have company address as. And we have also included a feature where you can see the demonstration in the test mode. Like you can, we have batch payments, we have live payments, we can run do validation, healers validation, all in this thing. For example, if I run this, it will take some time. It is running the function which will do the actual call only in the back end and will show that the tests are actually working in the front end. So here you can see that average latency, whatever processed payments are done, then the payment success rate, how it is, then the warnings that are got to the admin during this working. Okay, so here it is running the active payroll and we'll wait for some time. These are all the test cases which are included in the code. Like here you can see that 9 tests have passed and 0 failed. For this particular test, we have included these many number of tests, and you can see the analytics dashboard where you can get the daily usage of how much the wallet address is. Like for, today's average and today's spending. All these issues are done here, and these are all the basic dashboard which I have said. So this project has a complete integration of Solana DevNet and Dodo payments, which Dodo payments in a test mode. Since it's the test mode, we have done and integrated it to the maximum efficiency, and this is what our project is about. And we'll be explaining this in a separate script.